Alright, show y'all the trick. What I have here is a camera off of a Hummer Ace 2. Goes right there. And on the Ace 2, you normally have the camera in the rear view mirror. But I took the mirror down right now because what I wanted to do, I was trying to work with the wires here. So I just put a new in-dash in, and I wanted to get the video feed to my in-dash. Also, I wanted the video feed to be on the camera, the monitor on the back as well. Show you the truck right quick. So this is your SUT H2. So as you can see, I actually got the camera working here with a monitor. This is the connector that goes onto it. It actually has 5 wires. I pulled the print for it. I was trying to go by the print because you got inside rear view mirror and you got a rear view camera. So you got 2 video feed wires, ignition wire, ground, and a drain. Basically, it has the colors here. None of these colors match. Well, the red and black match. Red and white and red and black here for the video feed do not match. And the drain also does not match. So, as you can see, I actually have, looks like 2 black wires, 2 white wires, and a red wire. So what I did is, you can see my little setup. This is the setup I got at work. That way when I test sensors and stuff, I just got a jump box back here. Then I run off to a wire in a box. What I did was, basically I got a power. This is from the monitor. So the red from the monitor and the red from the camera, I spliced them together. Got them going to my 12 volt positive. The black, there's actually 2 blacks. So what I did was I went to the black here on top. I use this black, which it looks like that's gonna be, looks like pin 2. I don't know if you can see it. But there's a 2 right there. See the 2. So I went to that black wire, which is, there's 2 wires up top and 3 wires on the bottom. So I went to where there's the 2 wire black wire. So I used that as my ground, and I spliced that to the ground from the monitor. And then I just spliced a RCA cable. So this RCA cable right here, this is a female RCA cable. I just spliced it to the 2 white wires coming from the camera. And then I just got a regular RCA cable, which is a double male end, going from the RCA cable from the camera to the RCA input on the monitor. So you see I have no signal. See if I can plug this up. Now I got a signal. When I first hooked it up, the RCA to the camera, I still had no signal here. The only thing I did was swap them around, then I got signal. So now all I gotta do is basically get a Y connector. That way I can run this to the in-dash as well as the two monitors on the back. This is actually going to be a monitor for the back. One of the monitors on the back is bad. So this is a camera you can put in a monitor that I'm going to use to replace that. Real cheap, probably I think paid about $25 on that. I said it's going to be in the back. Kids don't ever really watch DVDs. Anyway, I tried to find a DVD to test them out, and I don't even have no DVDs around the house. So that's how you use your factory camera with a non-factory monitor or anything else. You gotta find your power and your ground, and then your two video feed.